So hi guys, so today it's day 2 of making our meals prep for the week because I don't have time to make all that meals together. So I just decided to just make whatever we're having for a week, we record, and then we combine it as a full week meal. So today we're making some chicken, and I've already prepped my chicken. I've washed it with some vinegar, so I just need to dry it so that we marinate it. Always remember to marinate your chicken when it's super dry. Like, don't marinate it when it's a bit wet. Once you with some vinegar, white vinegar, just make sure that you use a kitchen towel to just make sure that it's super dry. Okay, so I'm going to let me get another container. Yes, so I'm going to clean as I put it there. You make sure that it's super dry, like that. My kids love this chicken, but okay, they don't. My kids are not a very fan of chicken. Actually, let me not lie to you, but I don't know what really my kids like in chicken, because chicken is not one of their favorites. Just like their dad, my husband doesn't eat chicken, so I think they're just taking after him. I'm not sure, but once in a week I make sure that I make some chicken for them. And actually they don't prefer it. Kwanza kienyeji, they will never eat. They hate chicken kienyeji. Like when I make some chicken kienyeji, even for my husband, he can never eat chicken kienyeji. Chicken kienyeji is just the chicken organic. Even this one my husband can't eat, so it's just for me and my nanny. But this one at least my kids can bite kidogo. And nowadays I'm not a fan of buying a full chicken. I prefer just buying the breast or just drumstick and chicken wings, because this is in I don't see the need. But since I had this chicken in the fridge, so I just decided to use it. I don't know if you can see me properly. So yes, so my chicken is super dry, so I'm going to add some garlic. This is garlic. Let me stay on this side. So this is blended garlic. I don't know if it's a lot. I think it's a lot. I'm not gonna use all of it. Yes, so garlic. And actually, let me make it a disclaimer. If you don't have all these spices, and if you don't take the spices, you can actually just use soy sauce and paprika and turmeric. Just that. You don't have to use all the spices if you don't take a lot of spices. I'm going to add the dark soy sauce, and some paprika. Let me get a spoon. I love paprika in my chicken. Really gives it a very nice color. So I'm not using a lot of chili lemon seasoning because the kids are having it, just a little, like so. If anyone would want more, you can maybe add it on the. This is coriander. I love coriander so much. I love coriander. Like, coriander is everything in the spices. Some oregano, my second favorite, and these aromats, just a little, not too much. And let me tell you, this shawarma with peptang is so good when you marinate your chicken. I didn't know until I tried. So I don't have HP sauce, so I'm gonna use this one. I also don't have Lian Parents, whatever you call it. I also don't have it, so I'm using this too. That's gonna be enough. And some salt and pepper. Number 6. So I'm going to add some chicken cube, this one, and then I'm going to add just a little mafuta, and that's it. I'm gonna add some salt and some honey. We love our chicken with honey. Oh my goodness. I'm going to add a little when it's almost over. So I'm going to, and I need some gloves, you guys. I need some gloves. So I don't have gloves, so I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag and mix it because I don't want to touch it. And then we let it rest for about how many minutes? 1 hour. We still have time because it's around 2. We still have time to make it. So I've wrapped it. I'll put it in the fridge for about 1 hour, and then we'll come and cook it. We are making it with, oh my god, the lighting is super bad. So it has been exactly like 2 to 3 hours, and our chicken has been resting in the fridge. So we're gonna put it in the pan. I don't know, I don't like pan frying I don't like putting it in the oven. I feel like kauka sana, so I always prefer cooking it in the pan. I don't know how you do it. I always feel like in a kaukanga sana every time I put it in the oven, so it becomes dry. But there's a trick that I saw when I maji kidogo on the oven, but since I have this grill pan, really comes in handy. Yeah. So one portion is out. These are the fries. It's so yummy. I've added some paprika and some parsley, and that is so good. Even my kids can be eating as we cook the rest. So these are chicken. It looks so good. Today is day 2 of our weekly meal prep. Okay, it's not like a week. We said I'm not like cooking for a week. Okay, I'm cooking for a week, but every day, not like I'm not meal prepping for the whole week. So today is day 2 of 48 this week, and today is today I'm making githeri. For those who don't know, githeri is just a mixture of maize or corn with beans. It's a traditional well-known food, mostly in the Central, and it's a popular meal. That's all I can say. Yes, so let's prepare it. And And for this meal, I very simple, not with a lot of stuff, and just the way it like it's a traditional, like I just love it. Actually, I prefer it just eating when it has not been karangwa. It has not been fried, but for today I'm going to fry it. So I just like it. It's very simple. Berry. Looks so good. Oh, I don't know if you can see it because of the steam. And then meito asahi. That's how it looks. So me prefer it. I enjoy mine like just like this with salted avocado, and it's really good. And for today, the karanga. My helper is always ready to add spices. That's enough. You don't need a lot.
No putting. No putting. No put.
Dairy masala. Some paprika. Let me try paprika. I put that one. It's okay.
which makes it perfect for chilled city riding like I'm going to do now. The hood is also removable if you don't want it catching in the wind. I don't even know how many bikes I've had in my workshop over the years. The cheapest one and the biggest one, without a doubt, was a DWRT. And I'm proud to say that I have the world's biggest mass-produced bike in there.
I've already put everything. Can't put this on.
And that's to put in here. And that's put in more. Okay. Mommy, look at this. Mommy, put Yay, yummy sauce. Mommy, where are you going to mix? Mix it.
think I'm going to use all of them. So I'm making plantain over Uganda and have it with some pilau. So hi guys, so today is day 4 of the cooking vlog, and well, let me tell you, today I don't know if I'll vlog much because I'm very tired. It has been a very busy day for me, but I'm gonna vlog where I will be able. So today we're making some pilau for dinner, and yeah, Zain hates pilau. He just loves
pilau. I love plain rice.
Okay. All right. So we are having an argument. We are having a discussion on, gosh, why am I not even showing you my face? Because I'm tired. I don't know if you can see me. I don't want to remove the camera where I've said so. Just listen to me.
I want to put it.
So we're having a conversation about the Christmas tree. I'm
it
telling them that I'm not in the mood of, I don't know why, but I'm not in the mood to put Christmas tree. I don't know, Aki. This year, and the way on November nakwanga nimeshaweka Christmas tree, but today, this year, I don't know. I really am not in the mood.
You are in the mood.
But we'll see. We'll see if you have a Christmas tree but I don't think we will.
We will.
Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the oil to heat, and then we make. Oh, here's our milk. It's ready boiled. Let me show you. We want to make more yogurt because yogurt took watu wanakunywa. We want to make more yogurt. And yes, I made, when was it, on Friday? Was it on Friday or Thursday? I actually made yogurt. When did Auntie Beth came?
I think it was on
Thursday.
No, October.
October. Okay, so
November. October and September.
for pilau you need guys, now get down. You need a lot of onions.
Mommy, I can.
And I'm always here with my little helper. Say hi.
Hello, guys.
It's their channel now. So onions are burning, so we're adding there to make the garlic, ginger and garlic. It's a lot. Take it to it. Gosh, I'll make a new garlic. Hey, that's a lot. It's a lot. Should make a Oh, look at that. Let me show you guys. I don't just boil my meat plain. So, oh man, I think I'm gonna have a cup of this soup. I saute my meat first, and then saute my meat kwanza, and then nachemsha. Kama bado ni ngumu. Yes. Oh. Some cumin. Hivyo usikoroge sana, ifunikie kava ukacha. Kama haijashika ongeza. Mimi napenda yogurt kwa sukari mingi. Sio mingi tena. We're eating some coconut. I'm making some coconut flakes because nimezunguka Isili mzima sikupata the coconut flakes, so they're so good in granola. So you just check them
You
on.
make them sweet.
Nitazikata slice hivi, and then I'm going to
Make them sweet.
bake them and then add some honey. Hivi. You want plantains, Anna?
I know this one. I want something else.
What? Something else? What? Chicken. Shawarma. Mom, the shawarma. Chicken shawarma. So guys, welcome back to day 5. It is day 5. I even lost count. So we are making mukimo with, I don't know how you call it. It's so this our potato has been boiling. The maize and the potato, they are ready. Oh sorry, this one I'm making some granolas. These are dried fruits. I'll post a video, but I'll post it as a reel. What do you call it? Yes, I'll post it. I'll not post it as a YouTube vlog. I'll just put it as a reel. So these are dry fruits. These are prawns and some prawns and plums and the black raisins and the golden. So put them away. So this one. I'm going to mash them. I don't know if I need a bigger pot. So is a spring onion. I don't know if it's allowed, but before I give it for adding here. So we're going to add these vegetables. These are the pumpkin leaves. Right, sitting. I've let it cool. So I'm going to add these onions. Yeah,